Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Radar Love on Bass using an easy method. Let's begin with the iconic main riff. You will start by playing the open E string once. Then, play the 2nd fret on the E string, followed by the 5th fret. You'll alternate between the 2nd and 5th frets on the E string, creating a driving pulse. Conclude this phrase by returning to the open E string. Moving into the verse, the bass line simplifies slightly. You'll start with an open A string, then perform a quick hammer-on to the 2nd fret of the A string. Immediately return to the open A string, and then play the open E string. This 4-note sequence repeats throughout the verse, providing a solid, rhythmic foundation. Focus on smooth transitions between these notes. For the chorus, the bass line often emphasizes the open E string, giving it a powerful, resonant feel. You will hold the open E string for about 4 full counts, letting it ring out. When the bridge section arrives, you can simplify by playing the open A string 2 times, followed by the 2nd fret on the A string 2 times. This provides a solid, easy-to-follow foundation. To master Radar Love, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome to ensure your timing is precise, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing your speed. Try playing with both your fingers and a pick to discover which technique you prefer for this song's feel. Most importantly, listen carefully to the original recording to capture all the subtle rhythmic nuances and dynamics. You'll be cruising with this bass line in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.